or Business Forum for OFW Entrepreneurs and Stakeholders Recognition for Integration. So dito sa OFW Entrepreneurs. So this is part of reintegration. So we hope na naatay makutlo din sa ato ang forum, minaw ta, o inibdib na to. Naatay mga partners nga mutabang sa ato para ang ato ang mindset. Talaga di mausap, dili kay makakuha ka og puhunan, handa, dasman.
But despite the pain, I made a clear purpose and a strong hope you. One day, our family would be together again. So I set a very clear goal in my head. I said to myself, we went abroad, we are here to work. We went abroad to sing. Yes, to sing, nothing else but to sing. Kaya saan man ako pagbalik sa Pilipinas? Saan man ako pagkuha sa mga anak? Kundi na ko i-bridge ang gap of being away from them. Kung saan sa bisyo na akong ihala, maka-income ka, pero mapabayaan mo imong mga anak. You have to do something on it. You have to make a long-term plan on it, about it. So now I ask you, are your eyes open to see? Have you already spotted an opportunity na makanegosyo ka? You can start your own business if you have the right mindset. Knowing na ang business is a leap of faith kaya. Okay? It is important kung magnegosyo ka, unang-una, you should be willing to take the calculated risk. Sacrifice with purpose is never wasted.